Hey, I'm Adrienne, and today I'm going to give you the cold, hard truth about why you should stay far, far away from Profit's Passport. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and let's get into it. Now, I actually signed up to use the free Profits Passport marketing system about 2 years ago, and like everybody else, I started using it because I wanted to make money online. Now, with the old system, it took a few hours to watch all the videos and go through the programs inside it to decide which ones I wanted to sign up with. Now, David Deckel put this thing together to help new affiliates make money online without having to deal with creating their own sales funnels or follow up with their leads. The object of the game was to flood as much traffic as you can to your Profits Passport referral link. And when anyone opts into the capture page, the system will go to work on your behalf to promote the products inside the system. Now, about 18 months ago, David closed up shop and he wanted to work on revamping the system to make it better. And the new and improved 2.0 website is live and ready to go. It's still 100% free to get your own Profits Passport website, and it's been scaled down to only 4 income streams. And each individual program will help you make money online. Now, the very first program is the number one reason why you should not promote Profits Passport. This is Easy One Up, which has been bought out by Dwayne Golden, and the new company is called E1U Life, and it has no monthly fees. Income stream number two is the Infinity Processing System, which also has no monthly fees. And then income stream number three is the tracking software called ROI Panel, which has several lifetime offers that you can purchase. And then income stream number four is Traffic Authority, which I already owned previously. Now, what made me stop promoting Profits Passport was Easy One Up. Okay. What happened was right out the gate, my very first sign up, he purchased Vertex Live. And so he came in through the Profits Passport system when I was driving traffic to the old system and then putting in consistent effort to make money online. At the time, I was a Vertex Elite member. And so I didn't own the Vertex Live product, which means I did have to, I did put in the work to promote the system, but my sponsor got the commission because he did own the Vertex Live product and I got zero. So I messed up, because I thought as a Vertex Elite member, I would get some of the smaller sales first before the larger ones came in. And then I was planning to use those commissions to upgrade. But instead, my very first sale, right out the gate, he bought the top package, which is unheard of. I have never seen a sales funnel, especially one that's 100% free, perform this well. And David even tells you in the video not to advertise the sales funnel without owning the top package because you're basically going to be playing Russian roulette with your commissions. And as you know, the house always wins. Now, of course, you can make money online from all of the E1U packages because after they sign up for Profits Passport, income stream number one is going to bring them right back here to E1U Life, and they can see all the products on the website and then choose whatever fits their budget. But I'm telling you, if you keep promoting the Profits Passport sales funnel, it's inevitable that you're going to run into someone who wants the Vertex Live package. So make sure you position yourself so you don't miss out on any commissions like I did. So if you're not making the kind of money that you want to make online, then go ahead and just click the link in the description and get a copy of this free sales funnel and let the system start putting money in your pocket. As always, I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.